Today we're changing the oil in this Cub Cadet 33-inch wide area mower. It has the Briggs & Stratton 10.5 horsepower engine. Today we're going to be using AMSOIL Small-Engine Oil, SAE 10W30. These oils are specially designed for small air-cooled engines like those on lawnmowers. After warming up the engine, we begin by putting this oil drain tube on the oil drain adapter. Using caution because the oil is warm, we unlock the adapter and open up the drain valve and allow the oil to drain. After a little while, when the oil is done draining, we go ahead and close the drain valve. Carefully, we remove the oil drain tube and remove it in a way so that the oil drains into the drain pan and doesn't make a mess. We clean up any oil that may have dripped and we put the cover back on the drain valve. Then we move over to checking the oil dipstick to make sure that it is completely empty of oil. Here we are filling up with AMSOIL Small Engine 10W30. Use your owner manual to check to see how much you need to put in. Once you've put in the recommended amount, use your dipstick to check to make sure that you're within that proper operating range. Then, let the engine sit for 2 to 3 minutes to allow all the oil to drain down and check to make sure to see if you don't need to add any more.